Hello and welcome. This is Lisa Howard, and this channel is all about entrepreneurship and finding ways to earn money utilizing online resources. So I did a video not long ago about YouTube and how YouTubers earn money. But today I just want to give you some channel examples of YouTubers that have been able to monetize their channel, which means to earn money utilizing the YouTube platform. So being that I am in the infancy stage on my YouTube channel and I have not gotten to earning income at this point on YouTube, I still wanted to be able to give some encouragement so that you can see the possibilities of starting a YouTube channel. Now, if you know anything about YouTubers, and maybe you don't if you're watching this video, but if you know anything about YouTube and being a YouTuber, it is a process. It's not something that happens overnight. The only way that you can start to earn money is if you start and you stay consistent. So if you think you can just come online and just start earning money on YouTube after doing a few videos, then I would say not to utilize YouTube. Maybe you can find something else, because you will get discouraged and quit, because if you're not consistent and if you don't go into it with the mindset of I'm not going to start earning anything for at least 6 months, then if you don't go into it with that attitude, then you probably will be disappointed and quit. And I don't want that to happen for you. So with that being said, I want to give you some examples of YouTubers that have been able to monetize their channels. So in some of the examples, I'll be able to share what their income is as far as the ad revenue, and it's because I watched a video of theirs and they said it in the video. So with those, I will put a link in the description so you could look at those videos for yourself and come up with your own conclusions. So, but the first channel that I want to look at is a Mr. Patrick Kinney, and let me just say that I found some of these channels just by doing a search. So it was just a random search on some, but there are others, like the bigger channels that I'll show you, where I'm a subscriber and I follow these people online. And if you want to have success, then I suggest you follow a couple of them, the bigger YouTubers or smaller YouTubers, because anyone can give value. It doesn't matter how big the channel is. So, but anyway, the first channel that I'd like to review is a Mr. Patrick Kinney. And here's Patrick's channel. Patrick now has more than 5,000 subscribers. At the time of the video that I will link in the description, like I said, I will link the videos that I'm talking about from each channel in the description. So at the time of the video that I watched from Patrick, he had less than 3,000 subscribers. And with that, Patrick was able to monetize with less than 3,000 subscribers, and he earned by his third month of earnings $736.55 in ad revenue. Now, it may not seem like a lot, but if you're trying to earn extra money and you have a small, because 3,000 is considered a small channel, so and it normally continues to grow. So Patrick, with only 3,000 subscribers, and I'm not sure how long it took him to get to 3,000 subscribers, he started out with like a $5.23 month, and then the next month it moved to $254.86, and then the following month it was $736.55 in advertising revenue. So that's just putting up videos and not having to do anything else. So those videos, if they continue to gain traction, will continue to earn him money month after month after month. So it's a good way to supplement your income when you're a small YouTuber. So that is Patrick Kinney, and like I said, I will put the link in the description. The next video that I want to talk about is Insight of Samantha. So Samantha's video will be linked in the description, and the video that I watched from Samantha, I think it was her when she first was monetized on YouTube. And at that point, she had 3,300 subscribers, and she let's see, it took her 1 year and 1 month to get monetized. So this is Samantha's channel, and I will put a link to her video that I watched that gave me this information in the description. So with Samantha, it took 1 year and 1 month to get to where she was earning money. I don't know that she gave the amount of money she was earning, but yeah, it took 1 year and 1 month to start earning money from advertising. All right, the next channel that I'd like to discuss is Dilma Valicilos, and I hope I'm saying his name right. So Dilma started his YouTube channel in August of 2018, and in just 1 year, he grew his channel to 12,000 subscribers. And the video where I took, the information that I'm giving you from was in August of 2019. As of December 2019, he has now 20,000 subscribers. So he grew his channel at a very fast rate. So the next channel I want to talk about is Marisa Romero, and Marisa earns money from Google AdSense, and she also earns money from group coaching, brand deals, collaborations, and other sources. So like I said, Google AdSense is not the only way to earn money on YouTube. Now, Marisa has more than 67,000 subscribers, and I can't remember how long she's been on YouTube, but it has, I could be wrong, but I'm thinking I remember her saying it's been about maybe since 2017. I could be wrong though, but Marisa is a good source for finding out information about earning money utilizing the YouTube platform. So, and the last channel that I want to show you is actually the channel where I think that I will get my coaching from, and that is Miss Kisha Bass. Okay, now Kisha has a couple of channels. This is one of her newer channels, and she's at 1,000, a little over 1,000 subscribers on this channel, but she also has other channels. This is one of the newer ones, and she also has a coaching group on Facebook for YouTube. So, and let me give you an example of another. Show you her other channel. So she's also has this channel, which I am subscribed to, and this one has 26,000 subscribers. So Kisha is also a good source for finding out information about earning money online. She also in this channel talks about ways to earn money as an employee online, finding online jobs or online gigs. So those are the examples that I wanted to, those are some examples that I thought I'd share with you to give you some insight on other YouTubers that have started to earn money so that you can make an informed decision on whether you would like to look into pursuing the opportunity of becoming a YouTuber. It's absolutely free to do, and just know that it takes time, and if you put your time and effort into it, then I think that you can get something out of it. So with that being said, that is my video for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of information, please like, subscribe, comment if you'd like. If you need information, if there's something that you need to know, if I have that information, I will give it to you. If not, I will direct you to where you can find the information, or I will look for it for you. So that is my video for today, and I hope that you got some value from it, and I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.